Hey guys, and welcome to this video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to convert Google Docs to PDF in mobile. So what we're going to do is open up the Google Docs app, and I'm just going to select this first document here. So what we're going to do is just open that up, and this is just a recipe for an Easter treat. So we're going to come up to the three dots in the corner and give those a press. And what we're going to do is come down and press share and export. And then we're going to come and press print. And then what you want to do is just make sure that no printer is selected at the top. You want to make sure that you've got all your documents selected at the bottom, which I've just got one document, so that's absolutely fine. And then we're going to come and press this upload button here in the top right hand corner that's blue. So we're just going to give that a click. And then what we're going to do is come down and press save to files. So I'm going to save mine to my iCloud drive, and I'm going to keep it its same name, and then come to the top right hand corner and press save. So that has now been saved. And then what I'm going to do is to find it. So I'm going to come back to my home screen. I'm going to swipe right, and I am just going to search for files. So give that a click. And then as you can see, my document here for my Easter bake is in here. So if I give that a click, and there we go, that is now opened, and that has been saved there for us. And as you can see, it is a PDF. So if we just tap at the top here, you can see that it is a PDF. And if we come to these three lines in the left-hand corner as well, it says PDF document. So that's it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you could leave us a like and a subscribe, that would be amazing. And I'll catch you guys in the next one.